This is TWiT.
Hey there, everyone. Most of you have a smartphone. I bet a bunch of you have a smartwatch of some sort. Why not utilize these devices, apps, and services to better manage our daily wellness and health? On my new show, Hands on Wellness, we'll discuss just that. Each week, I'll share an app, service, or interesting tech that will make this journey a lot easier for you. Because we need to take our personal wellness and health seriously, I'm going to challenge you. Not with 400 push-ups per day. Well, not yet, at least. But seriously, I challenge you to relentlessly stay on top of your personal wellness and health with the fun and ease of cool technology. Subscribe to the Hands on Wellness YouTube channel by going to twit.to/HOW. That's twit.to/HOW. You can also subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Pocket Casts, or any of the other awesome podcatchers. Let's do this, folks.